Hello, Chef here. So I had some requests on how to use fresh herbs in recipes, so I thought I'd drop a few tips for you here. I've got two different herbs here. We'll see in the comments if someone can name what they are. I'm going to just put them all together like this. Razor sharp chef knife and end grain maple butcher block. Look at that nice cut right there. That's a beautiful chiffonade. However, I would like a very fine chop for this particular recipe. So we're just gonna give it a little more cut like this. Yeah, there you go. If a chef asks you to chop some fine herbs, this is most likely what he's looking for. Okay? Or she, he or she. Okay. There we go. Looking good. Oh, fresh herbs are also really good on coleslaw. Yeah, that's how he likes it. Please like, share, subscribe. Follow us right down there. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Okay, that right there is a perfect chopped basil. Oh yeah, just like that. Okay. Tomato fillet, in French, concassé. Next step, we turn each of these into a small dice. Okay, a few more things. I've reserved some of my chiffonade for later. These are the tomato hearts or core parts. They're going to be used in a soup or stock. The ingredients for my bruschetta. I'm going to combine all of them in a mixing bowl, along with the basil. Extra virgin olive oil with a black truffle. 3 tablespoons. Fresh ground black pepper, just a touch. And depending on the time of the year, a pinch of sugar. Okay, we give this a quick stir. How does it look? Please leave a comment. A quick tasting. Wow. A bit more of this pink sea salt. Oh yeah. It's going to be good. Splash of white balsamic. Wow. That is an amazing bruschetta right there. I want you to try this recipe. Come back, leave a comment. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Aha, another herb. Can you guess what this one is? Okay, this one is fresh thyme. Yeah, looking really good. Thyme. Excellent when paired with lamb, chicken, fish, steaks. All kinds of things. Thyme is wonderful. Over here we have some fresh oregano. Looking really good. And with oregano, I like to use the scissors and just remove a few of the top leaves as well to let it expand. Okay. Fresh oregano. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm in the kitchen. I've got this fresh basil. It's looking really, really nice there. I've got a razor sharp knife. You're wondering just how sharp this is, right? Yeah. Always good to start with a very sharp knife. In one of the kitchens with one of these cutting boards, and almost every week or bi-weekly people ask me, Chef, how do you clean that cutting board? So that's what I'm gonna touch on here right now. So this is a rock maple board. It's reversible. It's 20 by 15 by 2 1/4, and it's one of these. Really good quality here. I like it. This one's been used for a long, long time, maybe more than 6 or 7 years, I think. So as it gets dirty, we're using the bench scraper to scrape it off, just like this. Any residue that's left, you can just put on a paper towel and you can see it right there. Okay, towel dry it, that's good. All right. Tell by looking at this, the board's getting a little bit dry. It's ready for an application of mystery oil. There's another product, a little thicker, that has a little more beeswax. That's the board cream. Good stuff. Shake it up. I've got more tricks. Watch some of the other videos, more tricks with this too. We shake it up, we put it on in a swirling motion like this. Okay, and we use a plastic bag because it can be recycled, and I don't want any fire hazard or anything around, floating around, any used product. Plastic bag, recycle. Circular motion like this. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm almost done. All right, so that's it. This surface has been treated. You can do the sides if you'd like. And you're ready to continue your work or your prep or your cooking on this side. Oil this side about a week later, or even the next day. Oh, this end grain surface is very similar. Same thing. Bench scraper. Give it a little scrape. Remove any food particles or dirt that might be on there. Oh yeah, look at all that. Some of this is spices, by the way, okay? This is good to go. Yeah, and now you repeat with a little bit of this magical mystery oil. Just a little bit like this. Plastic bag, recyclable. Swirling motion. Oh yeah, looking good. That surface is treated and it's ready to go. I would repeat this at least monthly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe right there. Smash that little like button so other people find the videos. Get cooking and have a beautiful day. Oh yeah, it's looking really, really good. Check out the huge selection at your sponsor. Edge grain, end grain, maple, cherry, walnut, big blocks, small blocks, countertops, island tops, cutting boards, and many, many other wood products and applications. Thanks for watching. With this glove on, you have full protection. No cuts, no issues. I like it, it works, and wow, it protects. That's what it's all about, safety. Yeah, made in America, made in USA, only at your sponsor right there. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Check it out. They do custom sizes. They do edge grain, end grain, maple, walnut, cherry, islands, counters, tables, cutting boards, chopping blocks, and these babies last for a long, long time. This one here is at least 20 years used. You can see just how nice it is. The patina, the quality, wow, I like it. And it's a pleasure to chop on. Yeah, visit your sponsors. So you're in the market for maple countertops. Why not go with the best the first time? Select solid rock maple, full rails, or blended North American hard rock maple is ideal for a countertop surface, islands, tables, backsplashes. Buy the best the first time and choose food safe Varnique finish or natural mineral oil. Check it out at your sponsor. Wow. Check out the sponsor, All Things Butcher Block. As seen on TV and used by chefs and food service professionals around the world. Check it out at the sponsor. They're having a free shipping sale, and wow, it's the best.